water of your bath. I wish I could be the water of your bath. I would surround you with mellow warmth, liquid love, like a childish, frolicking wave on the sandy shore. I would dash and break upon the firmness of your body, moisten and engulf the places I dream of. If I would water your back, I would memorize each and every muscle. And being water, I would mold myself to your every curve, your every indentation. I would roll over and on and off your satin skin. If I would water your bath, I would send part of myself into the recesses of your navel. There, my temperature would rise to match yours. Like plants of the sea, I would move over your body hairs, in and out the tide created by the universe. Playfully, I would slosh against your thighs, becoming intimate with your nature. If I were the water of your bath, I would cleanse you as my ancestors, the Nile and the Congo, cleanse your ancestors. But even more,